Hey guys, it's Supernova Noah here, and welcome to my channel, more Supernova Noah. Make sure to subscribe, and today we're playing Subway Surfers. Just kidding, I'm Paige. That was a really bad Noah impression.
Yeah, that was. Anyways, we are back playing a classic Subway Surfers. And also, Paige is joining us, our special guest.
Yep, that's me. So we've already been playing for a little bit, not very long ago. And so we've got a bit of a score here.
Yeah.
And
Big score.
yeah, I think we're gonna just have a look what we need to beat, and yeah, I reckon we can do this.
Yeah, we can.
Well, I reckon we should just try and smash our own score.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna have a go first. So this is me playing, Paige.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
So I'm just gonna say that we are working on a giant project. Well, I am anyway. Something to do with time, a day, an hour, and a certain room. If you got all that? Okay, now try and guess what it is in the comments, and if you do, you might be featured in the next episode
Of Noah stuff.
of gaming
Of gaming.
with Supernova Noah.
Oh, poo. That was... I don't even know what happened there. That was really bad. Okay, Noah, you want to have a go?
Yep. Of course, this is my channel. Of course I'm having a go. It's not your channel.
But my channel is PAIGE Chamberlain. So make sure to go subscribe for some more cringy content.
Cringy content.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Oh yeah, I saw it. Cringy.
Cringe.
Cringe. It's cringe galore.
Cringe galore. Get that thing, my bob.
I want to get the ice cream.
It's not an ice cream.
Oh.
I think it's powder.
I think it's an ice cream.
It's not an ice cream. Okay, comment down below if you think it's ice cream or powder, or what you think it is.
Yeah.
So I'm going for powder. It's not ice cream.
I'm going for ice cream. It looks like ice cream
It's
to me.
not ice cream, Noah.
Well, I guess it is. So
if you agree with Noah, comment ice cream, and if you agree with me, comment powder. So yeah. Okay, I'm going to try and beat high score blah. I think this game is supposed to be played on your phone more.
yeah.
Just because it's, like, not glitchy, but annoying kind of sometimes.
Yeah.
So, I don't really like those big bouncy boots because... I call them bouncy boots. Because...
I call
that
them
was
baby
bad.
boots.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Because, I don't know, they're just not... What?
Oh, just that.
That
always
That?
happens. That. Okay, resume.
Sorry, guys. It's been a technical difficulties.
Yeah, that's always been happening. That's like been happening. Okay, just resume.
Oh, roll.
Just.
Okay.
At first, I didn't think the traffic lights actually affect you, but
Well,
they do.
they do. If you hit them, you're like, the police dude comes after you. I have to say, he's like very plump. If you know what I mean by plump. No. Just plump. We'll say plump.
Yeah.
He's been eating too many puddings.
He's been eating too many donuts.
Yes, I do agree with that. How did I have to say, oh look, we completed a mission. I have to say, how do the trains come out of other trains? It doesn't really make sense.
Yeah, I've been wondering that too.
Ooh, got a box.
Both got a Mario
Yay,
block.
hoverboards.
Yay, free hoverboards.
Yay. Okay. Oh, what's this? Ooh,
Rewards.
Super Surfer Agent. It takes skill to be a good agent. Complete 7 missions. We've already done that, so we get to collect a reward. Woohoo!
Out of a handbag.
It's not a handbag, Noah.
Wow, I am just.
You're just gonna.
I'm
Whoa.
I want to get that robot.
You want to get that robot?
Yeah. A lot of money though.
I like him like that, actually. Wait. No, I like him like that. That's
I
just
like him like your
hipster,
normal
bro.
one.
Okay.
When I played it one time, I actually unlocked him, and I was so happy.
Really?
Yeah, I was so happy.
Nice. So I like this dude better. I know it's the same person, but yeah. Okay, guys, I'm gonna leave you guys now, and see you next video, or whenever I see you next. Okay, bye.
Goodbye. Okay, we are back in Supernova Noah mode, so let's go. Of course, I'm not gonna tell you the secret project. Of course, I'm not. Just of course. Why would I tell you the secret project? Why would I? You guys are probably saying, why wouldn't you? It's just, I'm not giving up. It's a huge secret that I need to sign today. Insane. And I need to get these coins to get Mr. Tagbot. His name isn't actually Mr. Tagbot. I call him Mr. Tagbot. Ah! Ah! Okay, magnets, let's go. I am the ultimate master. Wow. That's what happens. Okay. So yeah, this might be the end of the video. I'm kidding. Wow, yeah. This policeman has definitely eaten a bit too much donuts. But you ain't gonna catch me, Mr. Policeman. Mr. Donut eating policeman. You're not gonna catch me now! You're not gonna catch me now. You're not gonna catch me now. I am the ultimate master. Oh. Oh, my magnet's gone. I can't attract stuff to me now. Up. Don't smash into these bushes. Oh no, I got the baby boots. Okay, back to normal. No music. I got that covered. Ma. Wait, why am I doing a jump? I could have fit under that. Why am I doing the geometry last level in Geometry Dash in Subway Surface? Anyway, wait. Nah. 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 Why did I just bang straight to the wall? Oh no, the donut eating policeman is after me. Oh, you just see him? That was insane. But anyways, we are nearly finished, so let's go. Last run for the video? I think so. And I can't wait to do the big project. Cannot wait. Whee! I'm actually really excited to be putting it in the channel. It's just going to be so amazing. And it's going to be a bit different to what I usually do. Remember, I can't even remember. Time, day, hour, something. Time, day, hour, room. Time, day, hour, room. Hour, like the hour. Those are the hints for what we're doing. I wish I had a magnet. I need to get that. Yes! He's the ultimate master. Best Subway Surface player 2018. Woo! 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 I need to show back. How's that work? Just glitch. I can't collect any of these coins. We went up. This is definitely a new high score. Okay. 1 key. Best prize. It's the best prize. New high score. Okay, well, I'm finished. So, goodbye.
Make sure to subscribe and like.
And comment down below what you think the big project is.
And if you get it right, you might be featured in that video. So, keep guessing. Okay, I'm going bye.
And also remember to agree with me with that thing is ice cream. Both
No,
of you.
it's powder.
Ice cream.
Powder.
Anyway, goodbye.
Bye.